TX10 controller for the Fimi X8 SE 2022, the gray one. And it's pointing to the back of the property, the front of the property, okay? Now, I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is the controller, okay, on the lowest setting, the lowest brightness setting. Now, adaptive doesn't work that well, but what we've got here, if we put this to the highest setting, that's the difference. Okay, that's the difference. So I can put those two pictures up side by side. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a picture later on with the same picture I took on the camera, and I'll show it on this screen as well. So that's as bright as it can go, and it's too bright. So let's just bring it down a bit. There we go, about 75% or so. There we go. Okay, a little bit brighter maybe. There we go. Okay. Now then, one of the questions was, does the TX10 have a magnetometer? I don't think so. I don't see a compass north on the orientation at the bottom. So I'm going to see what happens and where that arrow goes in relation to where I'm facing. So let's get this up in the air. There it goes. It'll go up to the 4 meters and I'll bring it down again. Okay, and bring it down. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can keep it there. You still see it? Yeah, I believe so. So let's just turn it a little bit so we can see it better. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to face it directly. Face it directly. And watch this on the bottom. I've got the screen recorder going, okay? So it's now facing it directly, okay? Now I'm going to face that way. Did anything happen? Okay. Now I'm going to face that way. Did anything happen? And if I face this way, I don't think anything changed, do you? Okay, let's move it to the left. Back. Okay. Well, let's bring it back here for a second. Okay. What happens if I turn it? Okay. Let's just spin it. It's spinning. So now it's facing me. Facing, maybe that's just what it is. It's the direction it's facing towards me. If I turn it some more, so that should be 90 degrees to the left. That way. It's hard to tell. So I'm just going to put it up. Okay. Straight above us there. Okay. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to head towards that lake there. Bring it down a bit. There we go. Just fly it out a bit. Okay. Now, I am facing it directly. And if I turn it to the right, that is facing up. I don't know where it's facing. That's facing directly to my right. And if I turn this way, I don't know. Let's turn it the other way. Okay, it's directly turning the other way. I have no idea what that really is supposed to mean. But anyway, let's bring it back here. I want to show you something else that I found out. Bring it down. And we've got still on the green, so we're good. It's coming down. Okay. I don't know what that orientation is supposed to be. Up a little bit. Yeah, come on. Okay. So I'm directly facing it. So if I go to this side of it, I don't know. Don't know what it's supposed to mean. Anyway, let's bring this back and down. I want to show you one more thing. Okay, if we put this just here for now, okay, I want to show you this toggle switch here. Okay, this toggle switch here, which is the photo and video button. Okay, so if I just touch the photo button once, it starts to take a video. If I push the video button once, it stops the video. If I hold the photo button till I hear the beep, it switches to photo. Now I can select either one of these to take a photo. If I push the video button, it takes a picture. If I press and hold the video button, it switches back over. Okay, that's it. Let's see what Fimi has to say. Okay, talk to you later.